Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got well, it's not we got, it's my friend, my buddy. He found two abandoned cars. So I'm gonna take the tow truck over there and I'm gonna see if I can just hook up to him and pull him, because I don't really want to lose my trailer. But I'm gonna fix him up, get him looking nice, get him running, looking amazing. I'm gonna tune him, I'm gonna get him fixed and get everything. He said that they really rusted, so I believe him. So yeah, let's head out. Let's head that way now, because we are already heading out. Okay, we're going to be heading down to, I don't know if y'all know where that bridge is, that one bridge that they added in. Here. This bridge right here. He said it's like right there. So I'm gonna follow my GPS there, so we can see. He said just look out for like a little dirt road. It's not, he's like, let's try it, what? Tire marks. I think it's been drove on before. I don't see none. Turn around. Go back this up here. Aha, there they are. I missed them. Oh, it's pretty bumpy. Oh, I see him. I see him. Okay, I'm gonna hop out. See what we have. Okay, they're still in good shape. Ooh, you'll see that steering thingy. Not that shifter. Oh. The shifter's nice. This is a manual. Wow. Okay, so if that's a manual, then I'll have to get under there and disconnect the drive shaft. Oh god, this is gonna be fun. Okay, we're gonna hook up to the first one right here.